So I'm gonna start off by showing you this side where my bed is, because this is where I spend most of my time. So these pillows, I literally just got fabric from Joann's and just made the pillow covers. This one was made with several different pieces of fabric, and that one is just a plain orange. The way that I did the pillowcases was by cutting 2 pieces of fabric 19 by 19 inches, and you sew 1/2 inch inward all along the edge. You're gonna leave part of one side open so that when you flip it around you can put the pillow in. Afterwards you're gonna sew zigzags all across the edge, and then over here there's this blue blanket. I was kind of thinking of not putting it in here because most of the things I had in here were like orange and brown, but that pillow ended up having a little bit of blue at the bottom, so I thought it like matched. And I bought this fur rug. I've been wanting one of these. I actually don't know where to put it. I just have it on my bed for now, but I really like it. Up here in the corner, my dad actually made me this shelf out of wood that we had in my backyard. These little pots, this one and the one down here, I actually got them from Goodwill. Goodwill has a lot of nice things, and they're really cheap too. I also got this little vase from there too. It actually cost me 50 cents, so that was cool. And then these little plants right here, I got them from the Dollar Tree. And this one, I actually just put some rocks in there and I glued them to kind of hide the foam from the bottom. And I got this shell jar from the Dollar Tree as well. On the ceiling in this corner, I just have a pot. I don't really know what plant to put in it yet, but my mom actually made this part. It's hanging from a hook. And then over here, I just have this picture that I took of my flute and piccolo, and I actually submitted it at my school's photo gallery, and they chose it, so I got it printed a bigger size. Next to my bed, I have this desk, and on it I have a mirror vanity. I just have my eyeshadow palettes on there, and over here I bought this clear storage from Amazon, and this is where I have the rest of my makeup. And then on the mirror I put these little leaves. I actually got all the little plants that I have in here from Goodwill. It was this basket, this huge basket full of random leaves and stuff. I got it for $2 and it was pretty cool because I've used a lot of them. On the top over here I put little lights on it, little fairy lights. And at the bottom is just the leaves by themselves. I have all my school stuff down here. It's kind of hiding, which is good. I have a trash can on the side, and I have more of my school supplies and then there's wooden chair. Actually folds out to be a stepping stool as well, so it has a little like shelf down here, and this is where I just put my laptop and my piccolo. This blanket is just there because the seat is actually really uncomfortable, so I just have that blanket that I sit on. Behind this curtain I put some more fairy lights, and the switch is up here. And then when you turn it on at night, it's a much more dim light because it's covered by the curtain, so it's not that blinding. And yeah, that's this part of the room. On this wall, I have this drawer. This drawer actually used to be on this wall, and this desk was on this side with 2 other drawers, but I took those out because it was too crowded, and this is how it looks now. On this corner, I have this lamp. This lamp used to be just plain white, but I got some of the fabric from the pillow and I just covered it up. I put little trimmings on the edges all around the bottom and the top. And as decoration on the door, I just have this little succulent that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm thinking of putting some more down here because it kind of looks lonely. I have this jewelry box, this pot I got along with the other 2 at Goodwill as well, and then plants. The leaves are fake, but the 2 flowers are real, but yeah, they're very dead. They're like a year old. I got this little candle for my graduation as a gift. I got this unicorn plant pot from Marshall's. I thought it was really cute, and it was white and added really nicely to the room. This is a music box right here, and I got it for my 16th birthday. And then behind it I have this I actually don't know what it's called. It's like a Chinese separator. I don't know, but it's double-sided. On the other side, it has a different design. It's really just covering this back here. It seemed like too crowded in this area, so I kind of just have it covering for now. It's just a rose inside of glass and it lights up. And then up here is another like little hanging plant that I have. I just have this little chalkboard frame, little flower in it. But yeah, this is what this side of the room looks like. And then over here by the door, I just have these little flowers and pots going down. And then I just have a mirror on my closet door. Still not done with my room, but this is what I have so far, and I might be adding some more later. But this is how I redecorated my room. I hope that you enjoyed the video.